Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a homemade website that's free on your computer. So what you're first going to do is make sure you're logged into your Google account and look up sites.google.com. And you see here I already made one, but I'm going to teach you how to make a new one. And it's totally free, so you're going to first press this Create New Site button right here. So here you can title your site, you can add a logo here, title your page, you can change image by uploading from your computer or even selecting an image from your Google Drive, or they already have lots of photos here that you can choose from. And you can title your page whatever you want. And then over here, you can add a text box, images, and then you upload a 6 hour select. There's also multiple layouts that you can choose from. You can add YouTube videos on here, image carousel, a calendar, Google Docs. You can add lots of stuff on here. You can also create new pages. So let me show you how to do that. Let's just say this is hello page. So you see here on top that there's different pages on here. And what's nice is that you can go to settings and do navigation as like this top side. You can either have it on the top like I just showed you or the side. And then also, if you want to add like a link with it, you can add another site. So you can say like, press here to see the hello page or something like that. So you can add different stuff. The themes, you can change the colors, the text. And what's nice about this is that you can just play around. You can also, over here, is change the background color based on your theme. And then what's really nice about it is that you can hit publish, and you can create your own web address. So hello, right here, but it has to be not taken. But you see here at the end, if you already own a website, you can but you have to make sure that no one has taken it in here, and then you can publish it, and then you can always go back and change it later, but you can view it. See how my thing is on the side here? And then if I press this, it goes to hello. Also, you can preview it by pressing this button here. And you can see it on the computer, the tablet, and see here on a tablet, it has like that 3 bars that you can press, or your phone. And you can add multiple stuff onto here. You could also share with others. You can redo and not redo. You can copy, publish the link to send to your friends, and just play around with it. I think it's a super great option to make sites for free using your Google account. And I can show you one that I've already made. I was just playing around with this, but you see here that I chose the layout. Here's my YouTube channel, and then if you press this, see I'm previewing it now, but I added like different videos, and then you can, for example, press this. There's this really cool thing called collapse text, so you can collapse it or not. Different YouTube videos, you can go home, and I made lots of different things here to do different stuff. And then also when you're done previewing it, if I change this, let's say if I change this, you can press the publish button again, and then it shows you, what's nice is that it shows you your draft, what you changed, and then what it currently is published right now. So you can make sure that before you publish, it's good. And then you can publish it. And so yeah, this is a great website builder. You can change the background, you can change fonts, like you can put italics, bold, link, and you could also move stuff around. So let's say I don't want this subscribe here, I can move it here. So it's really cool, and I think it's super easy, and most of you probably already have a Google account, so you can just make one at home. So thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day and stay safe. And thanks for watching. Please make sure to subscribe and share me what your websites that you made. Thank you. And I'll be making sure to post a link down below to show the website builder and also my website so you can see an example. Thanks for watching.